Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to update Microsoft Basic Display Adapter in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Go to search menu, type Device Manager. Click on it. Go to Display Adapter. Click here. Select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. I don't have that. I'm just teaching you. Select Microsoft Basic Display Adapters. Right click that. Update driver. Search automatically for driver. You can search for update driver on Windows Update, or go ahead, browse my computer for driver. Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Here Microsoft Case Basic Adapter. Click this and press next. Windows has finished the drivers for this device. Close it. Just loading. Just close it. Go to search menu, type check for updates. If there are any updates over here, update it. Check for update. If you are up to date, you are updated till the date. That's it guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching my videos guys.